Welcome to Section 4, Module 4, Estimating Panel Tilt when panels are not accessible. In this module, you'll learn how to accurately estimate panel tilt from the ground when roof access isn't available, and how to document your estimate professionally. When you can't safely access the roof or panels, you can still estimate tilt accurately enough for a professional SolarCheck Pro inspection. The goal is a reasonable, defensible estimate that you clearly document. You do not need an exact tilt measurement. A well-documented estimate is professionally acceptable. Accuracy within a few degrees is sufficient for the SolarCheck Pro calculation, and clear documentation of your estimation method protects your professional credibility. The primary method, and the one we recommend, is the line-of-sight tilt reading. It's the simplest and most reliable field method. Here's how to do it. Use your Fluke irradiance meter in tilt mode or a phone inclinometer. Set up your tripod where you have the clearest view of the panel plane. Match the irradiance meter to the panel angle by sight, then record the tilt reading. Field tip: take 2 quick readings from slightly different spots and use the one that best matches the panel plane. You're not chasing perfection, you're building a defensible estimate. 2 tools work well for this method. Option A is the Fluke irradiance meter in tilt mode. It has a built-in tilt meter, is easy to toggle between tilt and irradiance readings, has a tripod mount built in, and supports a consistent workflow. Option B is a smartphone inclinometer. It works well when roof access is limited, gives quick readings from the ground, and is best used with a steady line of sight hold. Both tools work well. Choose based on what you have available and what gives you the clearest line of sight to the panel plane. There's also a useful backup method, estimating roof pitch and converting it to a tilt angle. Panels are often mounted close to the roof pitch, so if you can estimate the pitch, you can convert it. Here's a quick reference for common residential pitches. A 412 pitch is approximately 18 degrees, a low slope. 512 is about 23 degrees, moderate. 612 is about 27 degrees, standard. 712 is about 30 degrees, moderate steep. And 812 is about 34 degrees, steep. Use this as a second reference point to validate your line of sight reading. If you know the roof pitch, you can also look up the exact angle using a roof pitch to degrees calculator online. Whenever tilt is estimated, state that clearly in your report. Here's an example of good documentation. Panel tilt estimated at approximately 27 degrees using a line-of-sight tilt reading from ground level. Roof and panel access was not available at the time of inspection. Why does documentation matter? It protects your professional credibility if the estimate is questioned later. It shows the client you followed a systematic, professional process. It provides a clear record if the inspection is reviewed or disputed, and it demonstrates transparency, a hallmark of quality inspection work. Here's the simple workflow for estimating panel tilt. Step 1. Use Fluke tilt mode or a phone inclinometer and match the panel plane by sight using a tripod for stability and reliability. Step 2. Record the tilt value in SolarCheck Pro. Step 3. If desired, sanity check your reading using roof pitch to degrees via an online calculator. Step 4. Document that tilt was estimated due to access limitations. Remember, a well-documented estimated tilt is professionally acceptable. Accuracy within a few degrees is sufficient for the SolarCheck Pro calculation.